This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
A Jackson 1085 panic bar. Wow, we're trying to change out the dogging thing, the dogging pin. You've got a 1-minute video on YouTube that shows that yours, like the one that you had, was a hex or an Allen wrench screw, and ours is a actual screw with that needs a flathead. Is that normal?
The 1085 dogging assembly is either available that would take a slotted screwdriver, unless they've changed the design to an Allen wrench, or they make one with a thumb turn.
So that's what we're trying to do is replace the screw with a thumb turn one.
Okay.
But the inside assembly.
It says it should have a number 10 torque set screw.
And ours is not that. It's not a torque set screw.
Well, there's a tiny little screw that holds the unit in the head case, if I recall. Let's look. The problem is I've forgotten more about hardware than most people have ever learned, right?
Yeah, I'm sure you don't even get these kind of phone calls.
No, I do. That screw goes behind the head case, that tiny little set screw. And it has to be partially turned in to hold the dogging pin assembly in the head case.
Yeah, so that's the thing. It's just, I don't know, it looks like it's almost welded in there. I've been trying this thing for hours.
Are you sure you got a Jackson 1085? Because those Doromatic.
Oh yeah, I'm looking at the sticker on the side of the head case right now.
Okay. Well, what you could do is email me photographs of the one that you're working on, and I'll reach out to them and find out what gives, why yours is different. But I've been selling 1085s for 30 years, and I'm not aware of any changes in that design.
Yeah, right. Everything that we're seeing online is a hex or the torque one, and this is.
What do you mean torque?
So I'm looking at a installation guide for the dogging pin. This is from crlawrence.com. That's what this is calling it. A torque set screw number 10.
So what in the C.R. Lawrence website? What part number are you looking at? Because I'm going to pull that up in their website.
CRL Jackson 1085. Yeah, it doesn't give a part number. It just says figure 23, 24, and 25.
So you're in the C.R. Lawrence website right now?
I'm not. I just got this one page printed out.
Oh, okay. Hang on. Let's do this. Let's take a look at the dogging assembly. You would think the instructions are there. They're not. Let me pull up an entire device. Okay, so it's a 311085, 311085, 47313. Let's take a look at that. So when I'm on that page and I scroll down and I see installation instructions, let's pull that up. Oh, yeah. So what page are you on?
This is page 20. It should say dogging pin options.
Yeah, I see it. So where's this Torx? Oh, yeah. Number 10 Torx.
Yeah, so we don't have.
Well, yeah, I don't know the drive. I don't know what that drive is. I don't recall. If they're saying it's a number 10 Torx So what's the question about that tiny little number 10 Torx set screw?
That's what I was wondering, is if it's supposed to be that, because ours is a flathead.
Oh, well, then somebody did some back alley engineering. If someone lost that or had to replace it and they didn't have that screw, all you'd have to do is figure out what thread type that was and stuff something else in there. But I would be suspect of how well it would work long term.
Yeah, okay.
So you basically have the head case off and you're missing that part. Or you've got one that's not original.
Looks like it, yeah.
Okay, so what's the problem at this point?
Well, that problem is that we just cannot get that. I can't tell. It looks like it's welded in there, but I mean, it couldn't be. I can't imagine it would be, unless someone did do some back alley engineering.
No. That's definitely got to be removable. And if you had to drill it out, then I'd say have at it. That screw's definitely going to come out.
Yeah. So if I try to drill like through it and try to remove it that way, I mean, it's probably going to be some damage if we aren't careful. But that's probably my only option at this point.
It's one of two options. Well, three options. Do nothing. 1, 2, drill it out. 3, be smart and just buy the new head case. Save yourself all because there's a coin toss that you're going to end up there anyway.
Yeah, and you guys sell the head cases, right?
Yeah, of course. If it was me, though, I would start drilling it. That's what I would personally do, but I also like to punish myself.
Yeah, so do I. So, yeah, we're most likely just going to purchase a new head case from you guys. We got the new dogging pin from you guys, so we'll most likely just order that up. But we're going to try one last option to drill it. If that doesn't work, then yeah, we'll place the order. Yeah,
worst case scenario is you just got to buy the part. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I appreciate your help there.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Yep. See ya.
Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.